father's Toro lantern. To me! Not exactly welcoming.
Walk away. There is trouble inside.
I won't be long.
It's her.
Are you lost?
I'm looking for some old friends. The Yotei 6.
Show her the door.
Lord Saito's put a price on your head.
Tell me, how much am I worth to the Yotei 6?
My turn.
did this?
And Onryo. Quiet! Don't let that bitch scare you! We are going to kill you, then burn this place to the ground! Have mercy, please!
This is the Onryo!
Spare me, spirit! I don't believe it! A ghost!
You never answered my question. How much am I worth to the Yotei 6? Lord Saito is cheap.
He owns this island.
For now.
I just repaired that sign.
What do I owe you?
Me? If anything, I owe you for getting rid of those men.
You can repay me with information on the Yotei 6.
What do you want to know?
Tell me what you've heard.
They are outlaws who took over Ezo and pretend they're helping us. Lord Saito's their leader. Some people truly believe he can become Shogun of the North.
What have you heard about the Kitsune?
They say he's a phantom with eyes everywhere in Teshio Reach. Be careful if you venture there. People in that place are vanishing.
I'm not afraid of ghost stories.
Why don't you patch up in one of the rooms? Free of charge.
Wonder if Mother had to deal with the same things. You won't find a bow like this anywhere else in Ezo. I guarantee it. You are the one who kicked Saito's thugs out of the inn. You are the Onryo.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Too bad, though. I made a bow just for the Onryo. The best of its kind.
Maybe I could give it a look.
That's the spirit. And you can call me Lan. Always a pleasure to take your call. You know, I considered joining Saito. Thought it might be good business.
Why didn't you?
He started forcing artisans and weaponsmiths to work for him. No coin, no pay. So make sure to hit him where it hurts.
What's this? More competition?
A moment, stranger. Ban Matsumai has received reports of a disturbance at this inn.
I took care of it.
We have been entrusted with stopping Lord Saito and his outlaws.
Then why weren't you here?
You should watch your tone, Wanderer.
My lords! And... lady, perhaps we can all agree it is a fine thing this establishment is free of Lord Saito's dogs.
Perhaps we can. I need a drink.
Alright, lady with the fancy sword. Let's talk. I've got a business proposal for you. Name's Kojiro. I'm in the business of bringing people together at the edge of a raid. Whether it be Clan Matsumai or Yotei 6, I make sure their bounties reach the right hunters.
A bounty broker working all sides. That's a dangerous game.
Not as dangerous as that vengeful Onryo everyone's talking about.
If you believe that sort of thing.
The Yotei 6 certainly seem to. So how about it? You get the bounties, we both get the coin.
A generous offer.
I knew you'd see it that way.
Is that supposed to be me?
Everyone wants maps. The Shogun wants them. The merchants?
Those tools. Are you an artist?
Oh, no. These are map-making tools. Ezo is a mystery to the mainland. The Shogun would like to see that change.
Mapping out Azo for war, is he?
I am just a cartographer who spilled tea on the wrong lord and ended up being sent here. To the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere has changed since I was here last. Maps would help.
These are for the Shogun, but you and your sword look like you obviously have more use for them. Please, pick any map. I will make you copies for a very small fee. And we can be friends who don't kill each other. Yes?
You have yourself a deal.
Before you go, you look like a very capable...
What's the job?
There is this monk, Geisho. He has been helping me mark spiritual sites on my maps. A villager told him of one nearby. He went to confirm its location. He has not returned.
Point me in the right direction.
See the smoke?
I see it.
That is his camp. But it's been hours. He is the only friend I have in these parts.
I'm sure it's fine. I'll go check on him when I can.
Thank you.
I heard guns are not attacked.
A golden bird. What secret will you lead me to, little Kamui?
The statue truly captures her strength. A good place to leave her our offerings. Are you here to worship the mountain?
It's been years since my last offering. My brother's favorite story was about the mountain that raised an orphan boy, and the wolves that guided him to the safety of her shadow.
My grandmother used to say these sculptures were made by that same orphan boy, hiding gifts for anyone born under the mountain's shadow, as long as they are smart enough to discover its secrets.
So they hold riddles.
Makes you curious, doesn't it? I've never figured them out myself.
Maybe. Riddles that hide gifts from the mountain, huh? That's right.
Cut you down!
Someone covered his corpse with bait to draw in crows. Another dead samurai, smeared with bait to attract crows. There's some sort of powder around his eyes. A note was left on him. Clan Tsugaru. They were wiped out after they assassinated Lord Eguchi.
Not so fast! You here for Crow Ginzo?
What if I am?
His bounty is mine, and I work alone.
Funny. So do I.
You're the one on the poster!
not of Clan Eguchi. You're here for my bounty.
That's right.
Clan Eguchi slaughtered my brothers, then refused to bury them. Their bodies were picked away by crows. I am only returning the favor.
There's more to that story. I fought in the south. I remember hearing about Lord Eguchi's assassination at the hands of your clan.
He deserved to die. They all do.
That may be. But like you said, I'm only here for the bounty.
Then you too will be food for the crows. For Clan Sugaru! The crows will eat well. For Clan Sugaru! You will not stop me! Prepare yourself! Clan Eguchi cannot go unpunished!
The war is over. They lost. Just like you.
I will avenge my brothers!
May you rejoin your brothers.
Not so fast. You here for Crow Genzo?
He's already dead.
That bounty was mine! So, you're the one who killed the snake. I kill you?
Blinding powder. Useful in a fight. Crogenzo is dead. He won't be killing for his vendetta anymore.
Revenge is a cruel mistress. Here's your reward. Keep this up, and I might have a bounty or two reserved for skilled hunters only. Could make us both a lot of money.
What kind of bounty are we talking about?
Oh, you know. The deadly kind. Bring me a bounty. Then you'll earn that coin.
Drawing maps would be a lot easier without everyone trying to kill each other out here. I have new maps for you. Now, where was I?
I wonder if that little katana master is still on Mount Yotei.
Wander.
I'm looking for the Yotei 6. Know anything about them?
What do you want to know?
What can you tell me about the Oni?
He's a madman who holds a castle at Ishikari Plain. We don't have the numbers to defeat him. Yet. He's obsessed with fire and put many brave samurai to the torch.
Sounds like nothing's changed. Be careful.
Huh.